Go ahead, go about 50. You're gonna see this whole car start shaking about 50. Go ahead. Look at this thing shaking. Look at this. All right. All right, back at you. We got a funny one. We have a 2009 Honda Accord, and the symptom or the complaint is they got into a wreck recently and the vehicle is vibrating really bad. So I drove it and it's got one heck of a vibration. I want to show you how bad this vibration is and what we found. Go ahead, go about 50. You're gonna see this whole car start shaking about 50. Go ahead. Look at this thing shaking. Look at this. All right. Now let's show you what we found here. All right, go ahead and turn her off. All right, turn the car off. Yep. Put it in park. You're gonna laugh when you see this. And this will explain why balancing is so crucial for vibrations and stuff. Look what it is. It's just the dirt from when they got in a wreck. They went off-roading. That's all it is. It just needs a little bit of dirt there, threw off the balance. So you can kind of see this one's all packed with dirt too. So it doesn't take much, but that's a lot of dirt. We're gonna power wash it off there and this should be good to go. I figure bring in something kind of odd and silly like this. So it's funny, you assume the worst sometimes when you have, I mean, this vibration is terrible. I mean, the whole car is shaking. You can't go past 60. I mean, it's basically hopping up there. So it's funny that you think of the worst thing possible and it's the easiest solution, just some mud, power wash it. So sometimes that's a good lesson for some people. Some people will call and say, I need this and that. Like, do you know you need it? No. They're just searching Google symptoms and like, you should just let a professional look at it to see what it really is, because it scares some people off. They think they need an engine or a cylinder head and they don't need either, just a coolant leak. So that happens a lot. So it's a great lesson for you. If you're one of those people, just get it looked at. Sometimes it can be something simple. Till next time, see ya.